In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly navigate and utilize the Picklist Screen Flow in Salesforce. This tool is an essential component for anyone looking to streamline their Salesforce processes. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to incorporate it into your own workflows with ease. Let's get started by opening the Flow Builder in Salesforce. This is where we'll begin our journey into creating a streamlined, efficient process using picklists. Once you're in the Flow Builder interface, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and features available. It'll help you get more comfortable as we progress through the steps. Next, click on the Screen Flow option. This is the type of flow we'll be working with today. The Screen Flow allows us to create a user interaction element within our flow, making it dynamic and engaging for end users. As we continue, click on the plus setting button, which will allow us to add new elements to our flow. This is an essential step as it gives us the flexibility to customize our workflow according to our specific needs. Here, we'll choose Screen from the options available. Picking the screen is where the user interaction will occur, so it's crucial to select it carefully. Once you've added the screen component, click on Pick List. The pick list is a versatile element that lets users make selections from a predefined list of choices. You'll be prompted to input a label for your pick list, which is just a descriptive name that will help both you and the users understand what the pick list represents. After labeling, you'll need to input an API name. This is critical as the API name is how Salesforce identifies the component programmatically. Make sure it's something unique and descriptive to avoid any confusion later down the line. You'll click on the pick list again to bring up additional options. Here, input another label and API name for the next set of choices you are defining. Upon setting up the pick list, you'll choose a choice from the list and select New Choice Resource. In this step, choose the resource type that fits your flow in order to guide Salesforce on what data or object your choice pertains to. The next task involves clicking Choice, and once more providing an API name and label. These steps help solidify what each choice will achieve in your flow. With these elements in place, we move on to adding screen components. Once you have configured everything, click Done to complete the setup process. Don't forget to save your flow by clicking on Save. You will need to provide a flow label and an additional API name for the overall flow. Once saved, click on Debug to test the flow and ensure everything runs smoothly. After confirming the functionality, click Run. Congratulations! You've successfully utilized Picklist Screen Flow in Salesforce. This can significantly enhance user experience and improve process efficiency in your Salesforce environment. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or feedback.